How to fix ChatGPT Preauth Play Integrity Verification Failed Error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check either you are connected to any VPN in your device. So launch your Settings app. Make sure you have disabled for the option of VPN. Next up, what you want to do is click on the option General. Click on the option -Storage. From this list, find ChatGPT. Once you find it, launch it. Click Offload app, then reinstall app. With these solution, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check server status of ChatGPT. So close this and launch your preferred browser. Then navigate to this one website, search for ChatGPT, and check if there are any outages. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from their side. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete ChatGPT app. So press and hold on it, select Remove App, click Delete App, click Delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app ChatGPT. After app appears, install it. So these are some solutions to fix ChatGPT Preauth Play Integrity Verification Failed Error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.